Ever looked at a massive data transfer rate and wondered how many terabits are actually in those millions of megabits? Converting Mbps to Tbps can seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple. Let's break it down. Mbp stands for megabits per second, commonly used for home internet speeds. Tbps stands for terabits per second, used by data centers and global backbones. Remember, we're talking about bits with a lowercase b, not bytes. 1 terabit is exactly 1 million megabits. So the formula is, divide your megabits by 1 million. Let's look at 2 examples. If you have 500,000 Mbp, dividing by 1 million gives you 0.5 Tbps. If you have 2.5 million Mbps, that's 2.5 Tbps. This conversion is vital when managing massive server uploads or enterprise-scale networking, where speeds exceed traditional scales. But why do the math yourself? Need the answer instantly? Use the free SarkariTools Mbps to Tbps converter for a fast, accurate result. The link is in the description below.